welcome to Cat ID Paws daily combo for the 1st of September. Happy new month, you made it. Congratulations. May this month bring you goodness, abundance, favor, and all that you wish and desire. Right, to get started with Cat ID Paws, get a link in the description of this video and you are on your way to a massive quality airdrop. So here we are going to be doing the combo for the day 1st of September and also take one tutorial on one of the features. All right, so let's go quickly. Let's go to the zone. So here we're on the zone and we are going to be, for the combo for today, we're looking for 2 cards on the neighbor and then 1 in the community. So on the neighbor section, we are looking for Chubby. We'll upgrade Chubby. Okay, and next we look for Robbie. Yes, Robbie. Upgraded. Then we go to community and we look for stacks. Look for stacks in the community. All right, here's stacks. We'll upgrade it and do well to upgrade all your cards to level 10. For that's one of the criteria for the airdrop. Congratulations. There you have it. We made it. So let's claim our 5 million. Thank you very much. Great. Upgraded. Good. So this is the end of the daily combo. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. So now let's go on to the tutorial for the day. It won't take us long. Today we are going to be looking at the 3 features under the swipe section. If you tap on swipe, there are 3 features there. You have the swipe, which is here, where you come to swipe. Because now you don't tap in Cat ID Paws, even though when you tap, it still moves. Then you swipe, and when you swipe, you'll be exhausting your limits there. As soon as you finish it, you get another one. Get that? So the next button there is smash. That's another game inside of this game. This is a smash game. And what you just do is that if you tap on it, you begin to smash the paws as they show up and you'll be getting points. You'll be timed. So let's just watch for the time and then keep smashing. Just tap that and then it begins to, you scroll up rather, play, tap on play and then you start smashing. Then you can start smashing. You have about 30 seconds to smash and you can see that the scores are gathering. So smash as many as you can and the points you gather will be added to your points there, which you can use to also upgrade your cards. Okay, so the scores that you gather there are called paws, so it will be added to the total paws that you have there and you use those paws to still upgrade your cards, because you need to upgrade your card to level 10. That's one of the criteria to qualify for the airdrop. That's completed. Game over. And we smashed 11,350 and it's been added there. You can play again, right? But for our time's sake, let's go on to the next. So the next game there is flip under swipe. So flip here. What you do here, you place more like a bet. You type how much you want to go for between 1,000 and 10,000. So I can put 20. Let's put 30,000 here. Okay, so you put 30,000 and then you choose either head or tail. Now this is like you're guessing. Whichever way it goes, that comes. If it doesn't go, you lose your bet there. All right, so let's go for. Should we go for head or tail? I got head correct yesterday. I got tail earlier. So should I go for head? Let's go for head again. Congratulations, we won. We guessed correctly. It was heads. Bonus 30,000 paws. So we've got it. So you get that. So that's how that is played. So I hope you now see how you can also gather extra 30,000 paws have been added to the balances I have there. So today we have learned about the swipe, where you have to swipe and swipe and swipe, and all of this swiping helps you. You can see the meter here. Once it gets to the end there, I'll qualify for level 7, and remember that level 7 is one of the criteria for airdrop. Now you see I'm approaching 7 now, and the cards you have to upgrade. So just check yours and make sure that you are on track. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and if it's a question, drop it in the comments also. And to get started with Cat ID Paws, just get in the description and get a link. Join my Telegram channel for regular support and updates. Link in the description. Thank you, and God bless you. May the month bring you goodness and favor. God bless you.